wait till you see how we made this buffalo chicken dip. Oh my God. Get involved, people. Get involved. Hello and welcome back to Barbecue Jams. I am your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight, guys, we have an incredible show. We are going to be cooking up an amazing grilled buffalo chicken dip. It's going to be incredible. I can't wait to tear this thing up. It's football season too, so perfect time for this recipe if you want to try it out. Also, so who's coming over tonight? We have Oscar Barnett on guitar. We have Kerry Jordan on bass, Matt Horhoda on saxophone, and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So without further ado, people, let's get involved. Boom! Alright, so to start off this buffalo chicken dip, what we're going to be using is a couple different ingredients for some seasonings. We're going to be using some salt, pepper, using some garlic. We're going in with some cayenne, some smoked paprika, and some chipotle. So anyway, here we go. This is about a tablespoon of pepper, tablespoon of salt, garlic. You want this over here? Yeah, better. Smoked paprika, some cayenne, add a little heat, and also some of our, what was that last one? Chipotle. Yeah, there we go. All right, cool. So tonight we're going to be using chicken thighs and also some chicken strips. We're going to be using some white meat, some dark meat, kind of change it up a little bit. Going to be grilling it on the green egg. We're going to get it all grilled up. We're going to bring it over here. We're going to chop it up, and we're going to start assembling this dip. So you guys, here we go. I actually added some olive oil to this to kind of help spread it out a little bit. Nice little binder. So we're also using some barbecue jams rub tonight. Jeff, my lovely assistant, good job, buddy. Thank you. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. All right. We're all ready to go for the grill. Let's go ahead and throw it on the grill. Got a green egg ready to roll. Okay, on to the green egg. Going on with direct heat. All right, cool. We're gonna let this cook up. We'll be right back, guys. Y'all hang tight. Flipping some chicken. The other thing that's great about using this dark meat along with the white meat, but using the dark meat, it stays a little more moist. Okay, guys, we're flipping chicken over here. It's looking beautiful, smells delicious. You guys need to get involved with some of this. Come on now. Alright, it's time to pull the chicken. We're going to pull this chicken, we're going to let it cool off, and then we're going to chop it up and get it ready for this dip. Alright, sweet. The chicken is cooked. We're going to let this cool off for a moment. You guys enjoy these jams or whatever we're going to next. Jeffrey, where are we going? I don't know. I don't know what to say anymore, but hey, you guys enjoy it, whatever it is. Woo! Okay, time to start chopping up this chicken. We're gonna put it in a bowl and then we're gonna start assembling all of our dip. So here we go. the chicken is chopped, we're going in with some hot sauce, and we're going in with some ranch. I've got some Frank's Red Hot right here. It's the buffalo. I'm gonna go with some Colby Jack and some cream cheese. Just throw it all in there. Have some fun with it. Get messy. And I can't.
I do participate sometimes.
He does. All right, now I'll give this a nice mix. Looking good, guys. Check it out. Going on to the green egg, about 350. We're gonna let this come up and start bubbling a little bit. We're gonna be ready to serve. So here we go. All right, going straight in. There we go. Oh, beautiful. Check it out. We'll see you back here in a little bit, and we'll see you back here in a little bit. Woohoo! Moment of truth. Look at that bubbly deliciousness. Oh my God, look at that thing. Woo, woo. All right, time to pull. Oh my God. Boom. All right. And we're gonna let the molten lava sit for a minute. While we do, you guys enjoy these jams. We'll be right back. Ready to go. Buffalo chicken dip is looking insane. We've got got some jalapenos over here. We've got some sour cream. We are getting ready to bring on some people over here. So who are we bringing on, guys? Gary George. Oh my God, we've got Cooper Dunn over here too. What's up, Bubba?
How you doing together?
You doing all right? Come on,
Gary
wait. Now, there's some chips out, kind of any of that stuff. Y'all want some regular chips over here? I'm gonna throw on.
Yeah, give me a scooper.
I tell you what, I'm gonna move this over a little bit. I'm gonna pile them up over here.
Scoop Skanowski.
Just pile them on. Oh.
What we have
here. Yeah. All right, Cooper Dunn, come on. We got Kerry Jordan over here. I'm going in too.
Who wants to get bought? Hold on, we got cheers, bro. We got cheers.
Hold on, yep. We also have Matt Horhoda, Oscar Barnett. Come on in, guys.
Hey, let's do
the water's fine.
Chicken dip.
Oh God.
Come on in, water's fine.
Come on. You want? All right. Oh.
Uh-oh, we're losing our chips.
Let me in there.
Uh-oh. Let me in there. Assist.
Oh, wow.
Assist.
You need 2 chips.
Woo!
Look at that cheese.
Hold on, y'all. Hold on.
Go for it.
Oh, you going jalapeno?
Double.
Oh yeah. Look at that, baby.
Are we ready?
Oh, dude.
Oh,
Ready, boys?
All right, here we go.
Salud! Whatever the John Santos, come en inglés, yeah?
Oh, whoa. Magnifique.
You better got in Spanish.
Oh. What, you're speaking another language now? Come on. Bro.
It's kind of phenomenal.
What?
Kind of Italian.
Oh, are you good? Wow.
Might need one more.
Kind of Italian.
Second taste is always the best. Because then you get involved with some sour cream.
Oh.
And then a little more jalapeno.
Oh, dude.
And
Oh, a little chive.
Oh, he's really getting involved.
You got the name.
He's gonna double dip probably.
Sweet.
That's incredible.
Yeah. Hey, Martine. James Salzer, come on in. Y'all come in and grab some of it.
I'm gonna slide in and get one with you.
Oh yeah, y'all come on in. Don't be shy.
Come on, Martine. All right, all right.
Yeah, man. It was worth the wait, right? Wait.
Oh man.
Wow. James Salzer's gonna make it into it.
Get in there, get in there.
Oh yeah.
It's not as hot as I thought it was going to be. It's not like it's perfect.
Super molten lava. Yeah? Dude, come on now.
It's an explosion of
Dude,
flavor.
An explosion of flavor.
Take a jalapeno for the road.
Hey, James Salzer, come on, come on, come on. All right, everybody's like circling this thing like vultures. They're ready to get involved with this dip, people. Now, James Salzer is a buffalo chicken dip connoisseur because he makes a really good one himself. It's a lot different than this one, but I'm curious to see if it's wonderful or not.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, okay, it's good. All right, it's okay.
It's wonderful.
All right, sweet, it's wonderful. All right, hey, I like hearing that.
serious?
Guys, come on. We're having a good time over here with these jams, and this cook has turned out incredible. You guys need to get involved with us. We'll be right back, guys. Woo! All right, guys, we had an excellent show tonight. Oh my God, this buffalo chicken dip was incredible. What'd you guys think of that? Awesome! Oh my God, insane. These guys have been tearing it up, but I made a whole bunch of this stuff, so there's still some left to go. But anyway, hey guys, we are having a blast over here. Please like and subscribe. These jams are killing it. This food's killing it. We're having a great time. Thank you so much to Derek Enter, by the way, for the swag, as always, buddy. Check out the merch company. All right, guys, here we go. We'll catch you next time. Peace.
Barbecue jam. Barbecue jam.
That's right.